Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the sum function in Excel. I'm going to show you a very simple, easy way to use it. It's a very powerful tool that you can use in a variety of situations. So to start, I'm going to go ahead and open up a blank workbook here. Now that we have our workbook, let's talk quickly about the sum function. The sum function is used to combine a number of cells that you want. It can be any combination of cells. The most common you'll see is either a column of cells or a row of cells like so, or you'll find sometimes it'll be cells scattered around like that. So we're going to start. We're going to say working for business. We'll come up with 5 random numbers. We'll do 5, 78, 659, 254, 2050, you see the number, and 310. So say we want to add all these up. We could do it by hand, we could do it with a calculator, or we can use the sum function. The simplest way to get to the sum function is you press the equals button and then type sum, S-U-M. Now see it's popped up here in this window. You just simply either click on the sum button or hit an open parenthesis. Now what you need to do is select the cells that you want to be included in the summation. The simplest way to do that is to click and drag if it's a column like this, or if you prefer, you can do click and then hold down Control and select individual cells. For this instance, we're just going to do a drag select. Then use a close parenthesis and you have your sum function. Hit enter. Now it will give you the total result of this combined section of cells. You can see it right here. It's telling you what cells are being included. If you click here, it will actually highlight the cells for you. This is a very simple feature that's in Excel. There are other methods to access it, but this is perhaps the simplest and easiest method of using the sum function in Excel. Another option that you can do is highlight the section you want. And if you come up here to the top right, there's this auto sum feature. Click that, and right below it will put the total sum. So this has done the exact same thing I showed you with the typing, except you just did it with a quick drag select and then a click of a button here. Another way that you can use the sum function if you don't want to type it out, or if you can't find the auto sum feature, is to use this insert function button here. Now I'm going to go ahead and delete this. Now if you come up here to the insert function, you can click on that. And if you look here, the sum function is right here. So you select that and hit OK. Now it's going to ask you where you're looking. So it's automatically selected that section there for us. So go ahead and hit OK. And you can see now it's summed up this section. Let's do another one just to make sure we have it. So we'll do 87, 409, 449, 258, 663, and 789. So again, we'll come down here, click the select function button, select the sum is already put at the top. It remembered our most recent one. Click OK, and it's going to automatically jump to the closest ones here. So it's going through I4 through I8. That's exactly what we want. So we'll hit OK, and it does the sum function for us. So there's 3 ways that you can go ahead and use the sum function. Again, this is a very, very powerful feature in Excel. It allows you to quickly add pieces to your functions, to quickly sum numbers that are scattered all over your working area. You could combine these with these and to get a total if you wanted. It's nice, simple, and very, very easy. I highly recommend take some time to practice with this and get to know the sum function very well. It will be your friend.